Hey folks, it's me, Erick Blackwelder, Woodbridge real estate expert and all-around nice guy. And today's topic is smoke detectors. Now, did you know that most smoke detectors are warranted by the manufacturer for 5 years? So for 5 years, they will stand behind their product and give you a warranty for that long. After 5 years, you're on your own. So, um, what I do is every 5 years I replace my smoke detectors with new ones because I want detectors that I know are in good condition and will work properly if the time comes when they're needed. So, little food for thought there. Erick Blackwelder here, wishing you a great day. If you want to talk about real estate in the Woodbridge area, you can text or call me at 703 677 1120, 703 677 1120. Bye now.